Hello students, welcome to Well Explained. Today I am here with exercise 13.2, chapter 13, surface areas and volume of class 9 maths. Students, today we'll talk about right circular cylinder. Okay? Now in our day-to-day life, we come across various objects like measuring jars, circular pillars, circular pipes, cylinders, etc. And such an objects having a curved surface and congruent circular cross section is called a circular cylinder. You can see this is a circular cylinder. Okay. Now if we cut a number of circular sheets and stack them in vertical pile, okay, if we cut a number of circular sheet and stack them in vertical pile, that means one above the other, it will keep them. The shape we get is a solid shape, which is called as a right circular cylinder. Okay, now coming to the surface area of a right circular cylinder. Now suppose if R is the radius of cylinder, okay, and H is the height of the cylinder. Then its surface area will be equal to 2 pi r h. Now how? This is a cylinder, okay. The radius of this cylinder is r and height is h. We can imagine it as, if we open it, it will be like this. This h will be the height, and this, if we open it, will become like this, and this is the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. Clear? And if we look at this shape, this is a rectangle having length is equal to 2 pi r, that is the circumference, and breadth is equal to h. The area of this figure will be L into B, that is 2 pi r into h, that is 2 pi r h. This is the surface area of cylinder. This is also known as curved surface area of a cylinder, because it is only for the curve, not of the top and the bottom. The top and bottom will be the total surface area of cylinder. TSA of cylinder. Now we know total surface area will cover both the curved and the top and the bottom. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Area of top, that is, it is a circle, it is pi r square, and area of bottom is also pi r square. We will see that it will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. What is common? 2 pi r is common in this and this. We'll take out 2 pi r. Here it will be h and here it will be r. So this is the formula for the total surface area of cylinder. This is for curved surface area or CSA, and this is total surface area of a cylinder. Now cylinder may be hollow. It is not always that the cylinder is a solid. They may be hollow also. So for surface area of hollow cylinder, we will have, suppose this is a hollow cylinder Okay. Suppose this is the inner radius, let it be small r, and the outer radius, let it be capital R. The area of each end will be pi r square, means pi into r, that is the outer radius, pi r square minus the inner one, that is pi small r square. We will take this pi common, we will get r square minus r square. Now curved surface area of hollow cylinder, that will be equal to external surface area plus internal surface area. That will be equal to, external surface will be given by this 2 pi RH is the CSA. External surface means we will use capital R in place of this, that is 2 pi RH, and internal surface it will be 2 pi small r h. What is common? 2 pi h is common. We are left with r plus r. Now total surface area of hollow cylinder. These will be used in the case of pipes, because pipes are hollow. We are going to use these formulas for solving the questions which are related to hollow cylinders. Okay, so this TSA of hollow cylinder will be equal to curved surface area plus area of the base rings. How many base rings are there? Base ring means one top and one bottom. So 2 times area of base rings, which is equal to curved surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square minus r square. Okay, this pi r square minus r square was the area of each end, each ring. So here there are 2 rings, so we will put 2 here. So what is common? 2 pi is common, r plus r, h plus r minus r. Now in solving all these questions, here is pi. So we will take the values of pi is equal to 22 upon 7 if not given. If it is not given, we will use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Otherwise, the value of the pi will be given to you. Now, starting with exercise 13.2. We will start with exercise 13.2. Now, the first question is, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay. Now, while solving these type of questions, what you have to do is, first of all, you write all the things which are given in the question, plus write the thing which we have to calculate, and then write down the formula. If you do like this with each and every step, that will be convenient for you, because in exams, especially in board exams, the marks for each step is given. So students, what is given to us? We have to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay, what is given? Height is given, that is 14 centimeter, and curved surface area is given, that is equal to 88 centimeter square, and what we have to find out? Diameter, which is equal to 2 times radius. That means we have to first find out the radius. Let the radius of cylinder is equal to R. Now we know CSA of a cylinder, the formula for CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi R H. Now substituting the values, CSA of cylinder we will write 88 here. 2 into pi is given, means if it is not given we have to take it as 22 upon 7, into radius we have to find out, and the height is 14. Now do the calculation. What we will do, we will leave R here and everything we will bring to the left hand side. 88 into this 7 will go in the numerator, denominator 2 into 22 into 14 will come. Okay, now do the calculation. 22 4s are 7, 2s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are. That means 1 is equal to R, and we have to find out the diameter. So D is equal to 2 into R, which is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, now coming to the second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of a sheet are required for the same? Okay, so what is given? Suppose we say R be the radius of the base and H be the height of the cylinder. Let it be this. Okay. Now metal sheet required will be equal to its TSA, because it is a closed cylindrical tank having the top as well as bottom. Height is given 1 meter and diameter is given 140 centimeter. So R will be equal to 140 upon 2, which is equal to 70 centimeter, but height is given in meters. Either you convert it into meters or you convert it into centimeters. But as in the question it is asked how many square meters, so we will convert centimeters into meters, that is 70 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.7 meter. Okay, now we will apply the formula of TSA. So TSA is equal to 2 pi R H plus R, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7, 1 plus 0.7 meter square. If we see, it will be equal to 2 into 22 into 1.07, 0.7 है तो 1.7 and upon 10, which is equal to, when you will calculate, it will be 7.48 meter square. So hence the sheet required is equal to 7.48 meter square.